Hello guys, I'm Krishna and today we'll take a look at a Python topic which is sets and lists. So coming to sets, how to create a set, you may already know about set. Set is a kind of data type when you store more than one variable, more than one data type, 5 or 6 data entries in a single variable. That is called set. So how can we make a set? For making a set, it is very simple. You just have to define some values in the parentheses. So A is a set. So let's print A. So this is set. And what is special about set and how is it different from list is in a set you cannot modify the data. That's all. That's the difference between set and a list. And how to access some element of the set. So for accessing the element of the set, you just have to write the name of the set, which is A in our case, and in the square bracket we have to enter the index of the value. Like for example, I want to access 4. So index of 4 is 3. How do we check the index? Index of 1 is 2, then index of 2 is 1, index of 3 is 2, and index of 4 is 3. So I'll put 3 in the square bracket, and you may see 4 is printing as the output. So it is very simple and very basic. So let's take a look at an example. I just loaded up this example for you. So you take your time, pause the video, and try to figure out what should be the output of the following code. You have 5 seconds to pause the video and answer in the comment section. So if we take a look at the output, it is 5 and 8. How? But t.index5, what does it do? It returns the index of value 5. You may look over here, the index of 5, which is 4. So what it will do, the value of this thing, it will be equal to 4. And now this 4 is the index of this t. We are accessing the value of 4th index value of this t, which is 5. Right, so therefore t of 4, which will be equal to 5. That's why it is printing out 5. And now in this case, what we are doing, we are accessing the element at index 6 of t, which is 7, and after that it will be 7 minus 3, which is 4. So I'll change it to 4. Now we have to check the value of this thing, the value of 4th index, which is equal to 5. So it will be equal to 5. And now 5 minus 6, which is equal to minus 1. And now t of minus 1. And in the case of negative index, what it will do is the index of 8, it will be minus 1, index of 7, it will be minus 2, it will be minus 3. That's how it is done. Therefore the t of minus 1 will be equal to 8, and that's why it is printing out 5, 8. If you still have any doubt, you can just ask us in the comment section, rewind the video, take another look at it. Till then, bye bye, see you guys in our next video. Thank you.